Rosie. She bought the farm in 1849. Beefy the sheep. This is where they buried their pets. The squirrel. Buddy
When hinges creak in doors' chambers, and strange and frightening sounds echo through the halls, whenever candlelights flicker, where the air is deathly still, that is the time when ghosts are present, practicing their terror with ghoulish delight. Welcome, foolish mortals, the Haunted Mansion. I am your host, your ghost host. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now. Our tour begins here in this gallery, where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. We have 999 happy points here, but there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? If you insist on lagging behind, you may not need to volunteer. And now, a carriage approaches to take you into the boundless realm of the supernatural. Take your loved one by the hand, please, and kindly watch your step. spirits haunt our vessel in gloomy darkness. Solutions. No flash pictures. We find it delightfully unlivable here in this ghostly retreat. Every room has wall-to-wall creeps, and hot and cold running chills. Shh. Listen.
Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches.
We have been unavoidably detained by crafty spirits. Kindly remain seated in your doom buggy, please. We will continue our tour momentarily.
Spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at. Rat on a tail, it's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween.
Playful spooks have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated in your doom buggy. We will proceed in just a moment.
Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing a bell.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for a swinging wake. But they'll be expecting me. I'll see you all a little later. that you are to do. Or Sally Spook, I sit by your side, shrouded in this house. They pretend to terrorize. Bring the ghost about to socialize. Sometimes higher than yellow fleece, folks go hard for a midnight tea. Bring the things to the night, start to sweat that hot guys. Bring the folks about to socialize. In the I'm just in time. There's a little matter I forgot to mention. Beware of hitchhiking ghosts. They have selected you to fill our quota, and they'll haunt you until you return. Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow.
Make final arrangements now. We've been dying to have you.